I know what you're thinking. Charcoal tastes better. Just listen to my kids. Okay, when you think of barbecue, do you think a gas grill will taste better or a charcoal grill?
Charcoal grill?
Why is that?
I don't know, I feel like charcoal, isn't it like some wood or like smoky flavor that comes with it? Well, in gas is kind of just like propane or whatever you use. You just keep burning that.
Which style do you think is going to be better? A gas grill or a charcoal grill?
Charcoal.
Charcoal? Mm-hmm. Any reasons why?
Authentic flavor from the coals.
And why wouldn't everyone believe charcoal tastes better? It's the smokiness from the charcoal that the gas grill just doesn't replicate. Or does it? Well, that's what we're here to find out. Because I have a gas grill that I love because it's convenient. I mean, I barbecue more often because all I do is turn it on, wait 5-10 minutes for it to get hot, boom, on go the steaks. So I love it. But has the technology improved? Let's take a look. So here is the technology. Underneath the grills of the current gas grill, you can see there is ceramic charcoal underneath. Those are supposed to capture the juices and give you flare-ups with flavor from the fat of whatever meat you're cooking. I've been using this gas grill for about 5 years or more, and you can see it's well used, especially those ceramic charcoals. Also, you notice this grill has been used for about 5 years, so you can see on the grills themselves, they are well used and also import some flavor onto the steaks you're about to cook. But will the enhancement of the technology for gas grills improve the flavor on these ribeyes? Bone-in ribeyes. Why? Because these bone-in ribeyes were on sale. That's why we went for these bone-in ribeyes. And we're going to test them with the same flavoring to see if they are going to taste the same on the gas grill and the charcoal grill, or which one we might think is better. Here you can see the charcoal is getting started, and I can already smell the smoke from the burning newspapers. Takes about a good 15-20 minutes to fire up and get the coals ready. For the gas grill, it's only going to take me 5 to 10 minutes to get it ready. And to season our steaks, we're going to be using some famous Dave's Cajun spice. Why aren't we using the standard salt, pepper, and garlic powder to flavor them like very popular YouTuber Guga Foods does? Well, because what I've learned through all of his videos, he's always testing his steaks versus salt, pepper, garlic powder. But what happens when the other rubs taste better? And they always seem to win. So we like famous Dave's Cajun seasoning for our steaks. So that's what we're going to use on all 4 of them. So no flavor difference from the rub. You want to generously pour the rub on the steaks on both sides. Wow, that is really hot. Good. Woo! Now I will admit, I haven't used this charcoal grill very much. I've been relying on the gas because it's so convenient and so fast to set up. That's fine, it's okay. Don't want to let them sit too long on the fire. I'm checking them every 1 minute. You can see both grills have smoke coming out of them. The charcoal grill has a lot more smoke coming out than the gas barbecue. Every 1 minute I am flipping to ensure a good crust. And I don't overcook the steaks. It's pretty good, almost done. You can see a little bit of smoke here, not nearly the amount of smoke in the other grill. Another flip. Pretty much, I think they're pretty much cooked to perfection. Okay. Some flare up, some smoke. The flare ups there is what creates the smoky flavor from the gas grill. But it's not about looks, it's about flavor. Let's cut up the gas one first so that we don't get that charcoal juice on the gas flavored steak. Steaks were a little thin, so unfortunately it's a little more done than I would like, but let's try them out. Now for the charcoal grill.
Look at my pipe will reach. Oh, it's really excited right now. Did Raymond tell you was cooking?
A little bit.
Alright, so we have 2 steaks prepared. One was cooked on a gas grill, the other was cooked over charcoal. They were both cooked at about the same time, both cooked very high temperature, both with the same seasoning. So let's see if you can tell the difference or which one you like better. Start with the one on your left.
Red meat.
Well, I think it's pretty tender. It's not the most tender steak I've ever had, but I think it's still pretty tender. I feel like there's also some like burn or charcoal flavor, or you know what I'm saying? Like you can taste whatever the stuff was on the grill if it was. Or
It's pretty good. There is a strong pepper flavor
That's what
in the piece that I got.
I guess the pepper, whatever it was, like the seasoning on the outside, definitely really strong.
It isn't the most tender, but still pretty tender. It's easy to chew. You're letting the meat itself determine the flavor and not the seasoning.
Yeah, it's about seasoning. It's more just the meat itself.
Just tastes like your normal meat with seasoning on the outside.
You ready for the next one? Okay.
Yes. Oh, there's a flavor. This one tastes like it was smoked.
I think this one is a lot more dry than that one is. So this one soaked up more flavor in the meat itself.
I feel like also the seasoning outside wasn't as prominent in this one as in that one. Or the texture wasn't as grainy or hard. I think that's a good way to put it.
This one was softer.
I don't know if I'm supposed to talk about tenderness, but I feel like that one is definitely more tender than this one.
Did you notice a flavor difference?
Smoked like versus not smoked. That's what I felt like. I mean, they already commented on the moisture. This one is more than that one, which makes you feel like maybe this one soaked flavor better, like I said.
Oh, the flavor itself tastes different.
Even though they have the same seasoning.
You can taste like the salt and pepper and whatever seasoning on the outside here. You can taste that it separates from the meat. But in this one, it's all combined, so the meat itself has a different flavor. When I first take a bite, it reminds me of like more of a seafood flavor. Like the shrimp in the Super Bowl.
It reminds me more of smoked duck.
So which one is better?
This one's better.
It's really a hard one. Well, I think I have to give it to this one. Although if you don't like smoke or like anything smoked, this one is definitely for you.
Future Berry here. And because of this taste test, that is why I now pretty much only barbecue with charcoal. I haven't used a gas grill in about a year now because the charcoal just tastes better. So there you go, folks. They both prefer charcoal over gas. And is it a big surprise? I don't think so. I do gas because it's convenient, but I'll certainly mix in some charcoal now and then, especially since it does a great job on s'mores. Now, if you want a great side dish that goes with these steaks, click on the link right over here.